Hey guys, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. And even before we dive into the Walgreens haul today, I want to talk really quickly about my favorite app for shopping, and that is the Fetch Rewards app. Oh my gosh, it is really amazing. If you've never signed up for the app, today is your lucky day. Basically, go to the App Store, download the app. There's a link in the description, and also use my referral code. And when you photograph your first receipt, pack of gum, whatever you bought last week, it could be anything, even an Egg McMuffin, you're going to be given 2,000 points, which is equivalency of $2. As you can see here, I bought some shampoo at Walgreens, I bought some Tresemme, and because it's part of their catalog, look, I got some extra points. Like, how awesome is that? And when you hit the 5,000 point mark or $5 mark, same thing, you can get a Starbucks gift card. So you can get yourself a really fancy drink right at $5. And if you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on a mountain of receipts. So this afternoon, download the app, use my referral code. It's right at the top of the screen, and you can probably be drinking Starbucks this evening. So again, this is for new signups only. If you're interested, there's going to be a link along with my referral code in the notes. And this is an amazing, amazing app. So I did 3 deals today with those boosters, like the 5 off of 12, 5 off of 15, and the 5 off of 20, and all 3 worked perfectly. All my deals went beautifully in the store. I had one very tiny snag with the shaving deal, which was a spend. So this has nothing to do with boosters, and I'll talk about that in a second. But a manager credited me a missing coupon, so I mean, it's perfect. But like, what a great little deal today. I'm just so delighted with those boosters. Those boosters are always a one-time use, and not every card gets them. The more you shop, the more you get. So we're gonna dive into the deals that I did, and they're really great. Weather report for you guys. It's about 75 degrees, exceptionally humid here today, so, you know, it's kind of like swampy weather. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. So the first deal, and these are just like a guide of what I did. You don't have to do the exact deals, obviously, but no magical coupon showed up this morning where it was like, you know, an 8 off of 4 for Mitchum deodorant or something like that, or like a 5 off of 3 for Coke. Like, nothing showed up like that. So that's why I didn't make a subsequent video this morning. If you want to look at my quick and easy matchups, refer to Friday's video. I think there's 4 or 5 in there, and they're all solid deals, and I did a bunch of them today, and they're working. So the first deal that I did was with the Coca-Cola. Now, my husband suffers from really bad migraines, and this is the only thing to really help him. So I got 1 for me and 2 for him, so hopefully he enjoys this. These 12 packs are $6.19 this week. So they're on a buy 2, get 1 for free. So the total for this is $12.38. I had my 5 off of 12 booster that applied to that. The new subtotal was $7.38. However, I'm here in Michigan, and for every can, I have to pay a 10-cent bottle deposit. So if you're from a different state and have no idea what that means, is that I'm paying 10 cents for each can, and once I recycle it, I'll get the money back. And they have a bunch of different centers at like Walmart, Meijer, any grocery store where you can do that. So hopefully that's crystal clear. So with the bottle deposit and the sum, it was $10.98. I used 10,000 points to pay this down. I paid 98 cents basically for these 3. And then when I submit for my bottle deposit for all of these cans in the future, I'm going to get back $3.60. So, I mean, how fantastic is that? And hopefully this is focusing. Sorry about that, guys. So anyhow, just a great little deal right here. Okay, so the next deal, I'm using the 5 off of 15. And I'll show you what I got for this one. I got 2 bags of the Tide Pods. They are $4.99 a piece. And then 1 liquid that's also $4.99. Now, last week we had some digital coupons. We had a $2 for this one and a $2 for this one. Plus, we also have a $2 for this one in the July P&G. So for these 3 guys, that's $14.97. Now I'm trying to use that 5 off of 15, so I'm 3 pennies short. So I had to grab this guy, which is 99 cents, and it's a favorite of my husband, so I grabbed this for him. So adding the 3 Tide products and the 1 Snicker, that's a subtotal right there of $15.96. I presented one $2 coupon from the July P&G for this, plus I had 2 digitals for these 2. So, and also the 5 off of 15 booster came off. So my new total was $4.96. Now here in Michigan, you can use your points to pay down some of your tax. So I used 5,000 points and I paid like pennies for this haul. And then I got back a $5 register reward. The deal this week for the Tide is when you buy 3 of their products, you get back this. So it's essentially making one of them for free, pairing it with those $2 coupons. Man, that's a lot of magic right there. Now I'm gonna photograph my receipt for this as well and email it to P&G Good every day. I have been getting about 250 points per receipt. So like 3 of those, that's a Starbucks gift card for me, like a $5 Starbucks gift card. So like how fantastic is that? Okay, so this next deal I did, this is with the 5 off of 20, which is another booster. So I grabbed this guy, which is the Gillette 12 count, and it's $7.99. We have this very unique coupon from the July P&G. So pairing it with that, it's $2.99, and then when you buy this, you get back a $3 register reward. So, and this scanned perfectly in the store. 1 register reward per transaction. So if you wanted to grab, you know, say 2 of these in a transaction and use 2 of these, only 1 of these will print. So anyhow, guys, just going through the math again, $7.99 for this 12 pack. These Mitchum deodorants are, I believe, $2.99 a piece. And when you buy 2, you get back 3,000 points. So just with the razors and this alone, that's $19.95. So I am 5 cents short from using my 5 off of 20 booster. So I threw in another candy bar for my husband. He's gonna be spoiled tonight. So the new total for my basket, which is the candy bar and the 4 deodorants and this, is $20.94. I gave the cashier this, plus I had the $1 digital coupon loaded for the Mitchum, plus my 5 off of 20 booster that also came off. The new total was $9.94 plus my tax. Again, here in Michigan, you can use points to pay down your tax, so I threw in 10,000 points. And I paid very little out of pocket here. And I got back 6,000 points for the Mitchum, 3,000 for every 2 that I purchased. Plus I got back a $3 register reward for this razor. So after everything was said and done, this is like a $1 loss in points, but I mean, to use that booster and to make this happen, this is my husband's favorite deodorant. He likes this. I have a father-in-law who'll be so happy with these razors. So it is a win, 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 win. P&G Good every day for this as well. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. And I know that I didn't have this specific deal in my matchups, but I mean, it's still quite fantastic. So I'm very happy with this. Okay guys, so if you've made it as long as this video, I know that you are a, you know, big supporter of the channel because we're the 9-minute mark. So just to kind of give back to you guys, because I know a lot of you see these videos and it's like, look, but don't touch. You can't do certain deals because you don't have coupons. I'm going to give two of you an envy with some of the $5 coupons along with the $2 Tides. I'm going to put like just a mix of them, and it's just going to be a male envy. So this is how to participate, and there's only going to be 2 winners for this because I'm kind of limited with coupons, but with what I have, I just can't keep going to the store all week because I'm really trying to practice my social distancing and only getting out to the store maybe once or twice a week. So this is how to participate, totally free to do, and I'm going to pay for the stamps and all that fun stuff. So here it is, guys. You got to be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, 1 entry per person, and the winners will be pinned to the top of this video on their names and their location will be pinned at the top of the video on Monday, July the 20th. And hopefully they get back to me right away so I can send out those coupons right away so you can do these deals this week. Good luck to everybody. Okay, the last deal that I have, and this one you cannot use with those boosters because this specific deal is a spend one. And when you have a spend one with those boosters are considered like a Walgreens coupon or an IBC. So you can't pair the two or your balance will dip down. So don't use the two together. So this morning on coupons.com, there was a $4 coupon for the Shick disposable razors. I don't have my inserts yet, so I unfortunately can't present a bunch of insert coupons. So these guys are $5.99 a piece, and the $4 printable, I could use 2 of them on this basket, plus we had one $4 digital this morning. Now that $4 digital didn't attach. Another shaving cream one came off for me, which was really weird. So the manager actually credited me 5,000 points. She should have given me 4, but she gave me 5 because I guess I don't know, that's how she credited it, because she said that she couldn't put 4,000 on or something goofy like that, but it worked out better for me. 3 at $5.99 is $17.97. This is the best bang for your buck to grab 2 of these Shick shaving creams. They are $1.99 a piece, and then we have this printable from coupons.com and also a digital coupon for this. So this is the best bang for your buck because it's such an inexpensive shaving cream. And then this guy was $3.79. So looking at the basket again, it's $17.97 for these 3, $3.98 for these 2. They are $1.99 a piece, and then $3.79 for that. So for this entire basket, that's $25.74. I presented 2 $4 coupons from coupons.com for the razors, plus I had a digital for this one. Whenever there's a digital with Shick, I've always noticed the papers will come off, but the digital won't, which is kind of like, Argh. And then for whatever reason, my $1.50 from coupons.com came off for this, and then another one came off for this. I'm not sure if it attached to this or what happened, but something goofy got attached. So if my $4 coupon for this would have came off, it would have been a sum of $12.24 I'd pay cash out of pocket, and then I get back my 8,000 points, making it $4.24 for the 6. Obviously, if you have a booster like, you know, spend 20, get back 5,000, it's a lot more advantageous to use that because you would get a free haul. I unfortunately didn't have that one on my store card, but it still worked out because the cashier or the manager gave me an extra 5,000 points for this. But I've noticed for any sort of Shick deal with digital coupons and you're using paper and digitals, it just won't attach for whatever reason for this one product. So it was kind of goofy for me. But what it shook out to me was $4.24 for the 6 products, or 70 cents each, and that's using both digitals and coupons from coupons.com. So I know a lot of you can't get your hands on inserts, so that's why I kind of wanted to do this deal. Alternatively, if you can't print out coupons, there have been $3 peelies found attached to these men's razors. Unfortunately, I couldn't track one down today, but you might want to look on a display, but they're usually attached to either this one or like one of the men's Shick razors, but not a bad little dealio. thing that we're going to talk about is Dollar General. Their their clearance event is still taking place today, which is Sunday, and it's the last day for this. They usually run it from a Friday to a Sunday. The best way to do it is to open up your Dollar General app, to scan the barcode, and to see if it's ringing up for 70. These guys at 70% off are $1.49. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so it makes it free plus 1 penny of overage. That overage will go towards your tax. And I was able to track down 3 more of these, and I think the July P&G coupon expired on Saturday. I did this on a Saturday, so I was able to get 2 for free, and I used a digital to get this. So, I mean, if you have nothing to do and you just want to check out your Dollar General, if they are participating in the 70% off, it's absolutely worth your time to go and check it out. I found this in the regular beauty aisle too. It wasn't even in clearance. So, I mean, how fantastic is that to get, you know, 3 things of bar soap completely for free. And I photographed that, sent it to P&G Good every day, and I got some points. So how cool is that? So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.